Hello friends, welcome to another refrigeration HVAC mechanic red seal practice questions. Multiple choice set number 43, starting with number 1. Glycol is typically used as a secondary refrigerant. Excuse me. Which instrument is used to determine its concentration and freeze point? A. Thermometer, B. Hygrometer, C. Psychrometer, or D. Hydrometer? Correct answer is D. Hydrometer. Number 2. A micrometer is just over 3 full turns past 0.6 inch. The rotating shaft reads 10. What is the micrometer reading? A. 0.675 inch, B. 0.685 inch, C. 0.600 inch, or D. 0.610 inch. Correct answer is 0.685 inch. Okay, so the explanation of this is that every full turn of the micrometer is 0.025 inch. So if we add all the readings, 0.6 inch plus 3 times 0.025 is 0.075. So then we add 0.6 plus 0.075 plus 0.010. It makes it 0.685 in total. Okay. All right. Number 3. The cooling anticipator is wired in blank with the temperature control. A. Parallel, B. Series, C. Series parallel, or D. Not connected. Correct answer is A. Parallel. 4. What is the flammability limit of carbon monoxide or CO? A. 12% to 74%, B. 2% to 64%, C. 22% to 54%, D. 32% to 84%. Correct answer is A. 12% to 74%. Number 5. Polyolester (POE) oil is used in refrigeration compressors using R-134a and R-410. The percentage of mineral oil is measured by A. Hydrometer, B. Hygrometer, C. Sling psychrometer, or D. Refractometer. Correct answer is D. Refractometer. Number 6. The core of a suction filter consists of A. Silicone core, B. Desiccant core, C. Felt mesh core, or D. Alumina core. Correct answer is C. Felt mesh core. Number 7. A hot surface igniter has a temperature of A. 2000 Fahrenheit, B. 1500 Fahrenheit, C. 1000 Fahrenheit, or D. 500 Fahrenheit. Correct answer is A. 2000 Fahrenheit. Number 8. Variable air volume (VAV) boxes are terminal units used to control the blank of airflow. A. Temperature, B. Volume, C. Pressure, or D. Humidity. Correct answer is B. Volume. Number 9. VAV systems adjust the amount of airflow while maintaining a constant temperature. Which of the following are advantages of VAV systems? A. Lower energy consumption, savings on electricity power bill. B. Precise temperature control. C. Compressor wear reduction. D. Quiet operation. Or E. All of the above. Correct answer is E. All of the above. Last question, question number 10. R12 is replaced by which refrigerant? A. R407C, B. R404, C. R-134a, or D. R-123. Correct answer is C. R-134a. Alright. Hope you learned something out of this multiple choice set. See you in the next video, and wish you the best in your review. Hope you pass your red seal exam and gain your license. Cheers and have a good one.